Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove any logos from a video in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and for instance, these are the logos. Just for instance, I know this is not a logo, but this is just an example. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to freeze frame it, and then this does require Pro. Go to AI remove, and then it's just going to recognize the image first. And then what you're going to do is you're going to basically remove the logo that you want to remove, like these ones for instance. Oh, oops. I need to do this one actually. Obviously, you're going to make it a little bit more precise. I'm just doing it because I'm just doing a tutorial and I don't need to be precise. Select remove. And I know the video isn't moving, but you're just going to mask it once it's been removed. I'll show it to you in a minute. There we go. Go to mask and then add mask and add the split one, and you're going to split it this way, I guess. Oh, the other way, sorry. So that the logo is removed, but I guess you can still see that the video is moving. Maybe you do the rectangle one instead so it's more precise here. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.